The Optimus robot will be the biggest product ever of any kind. Whether you're a Tesla shareholder or just fascinated with the future of electric vehicles, robotics, and renewable energy, stick around. This video is going to be an exciting look into what is the future.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.
To fully understand Tesla's potential by 2030, we need to look at the bigger picture, and that goes far beyond cars. There's a misconception that Tesla is just about cars. That's never been their ethos. They were once called Tesla Motors, but in February 2017, that all changed to Tesla Inc. And the reason being, this is far more than just an electric vehicle company. Tesla is positioning itself not just as an automaker, but as an energy company, tech innovator, and now, thanks to Musk's vision, a future leader in robotics. So let's break down the four major pillars that I believe could propel Tesla into an even bigger powerhouse over the next decade, and why Elon Musk's prediction about the Optimus robot could turn out to be revolutionary.
Your own personal R2-D2 C3PO.
Okay, first up is obviously going to be the electric vehicles. It's already established itself as a leader in this space, only behind BYD of China, but in the Western world, America and all of Europe, the leading car manufacturer for electric vehicles is Tesla. With gigafactories in Texas, Germany and China, Tesla is set to ramp up production to millions of cars annually. New models like the Cybertruck, Tesla Semi have revamped visions of the Model S, X and 3 will all play a role in that growth. By 2030, the demand for EVs is expected to skyrocket, with many countries phasing out gas-powered cars altogether. And analysts predict that electric vehicles could make up over half of all global car sales by the end of the decade. What Tesla's done is very, very special here. It is light years ahead of its competitors. You think about all those old manufacturers, the biggest ones in the game, BMW, Mercedes, Ford, they have combustion factories scattered all across the globe that need to be converted. Now, while all of these companies have electric vehicle ranges, they still find it very, very hard to be profitable, and that's where Elon Musk has the advantage. He has streamlined it. He has stripped these things to be so efficient that it makes high profit, even with the lower price range vehicles coming to play, such as the smaller vehicle, which is due to be announced probably in 2025 for under $20,000. That is going to be a game changer. And if you are considering investing in any stocks that are due with electric vehicles, if they're historic ones, you have to consider the fact that they have a workforce that won't really be any use anymore. Fixing things with a spanner and changing oil, changing filters, those things don't have to happen anymore on an electric vehicle, especially a Tesla. It is streamlined to be little components, so the only thing you really have to worry about going forward is changing of tires. Its software gets upgraded over the internet. This thing is state of the art, and that is why since 2016 the model hasn't had a revamp until now. There is a new model coming out, and this is an exciting time to be a Tesla shareholder. The second pillar is autonomous driving and robotaxis. Through the electric vehicles being on the road since 2016, Tesla has been gathering all of this information about people's user habits, road conditions, smart technology, interface. Everything here with their touchpad on the cars is being used to gather up and build the future of robots and robo-taxis. FSD, or full self-driving, is massive. It's evolving fast now. It is in the final stages of being fully rolled out. There will be a time in the future that you will be able to just simply get in a car, tell it to go somewhere and do whatever you want on that journey. Some experts believe by 2030 autonomous vehicles will be driving millions of miles with little human input. Tesla's potential to dominate the robo-taxi industry could reshape transportation as we know it. That is part of the event. Look at these vehicles. These are slick. You look at the competitors, Google, you look at the differences here. It's night and day. I know what one I would rather get in, and I know what one, again, is more profitable, is more efficient. It is all day long Tesla dream. But Tesla's not stopping there. Elon Musk has revealed how the technology behind self-driving cars will directly feed into another game changer, the Optimus robot. Musk believes that the robot could eventually take on nearly any task you throw at it.
You should be able to buy an Optimus robot for, I think, probably $20,000 to $30,000 long term. So, and what can it do? It'll basically do anything you want. So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of.
This is probably the most boring part of what Tesla do, but it's something that shouldn't be ignored. It is really starting to gather a lot of revenue, and it is the key, again, for a sustainable future. And a Tesla, as always, is state of the art, way ahead of the time. The solar panels, for example, look like tiles on a roof. Not big, ugly, square, rectangle shaped thing. They look like tiles. This is the future that I want to live in. The company's solar products like the solar roof and Powerwall could revolutionize how we power our homes by 2030. Combined with large Tesla battery solutions like the Megapack, we could see a future where homes, businesses, and even entire cities rely on technology for sustainable energy grid. I see Tesla almost like Apple, where everything is integrated. You'll want the Tesla wall, the Tesla solar, you'll want the Tesla car, you want the charge itself, the full self-driving. Everything is just going to start connecting, and when you start rolling out robots, the robot will link to the car. It's all going to start cooking itself. You think about an app on your phone that can tell you set your car temperature, it can set the music that you want, the lighting mood, it drives itself. You get in, and while you're driving home, you'll get your robot to start cooking the dinner, doing whatever you want. It is all about one big ecosystem that Elon Musk is building, and let's not forget about the Neuralink and all the other things that could potentially come down the road as well. Tesla's energy business is expected to grow massively. Elon Musk even believes it will be bigger than the electric vehicle space. This could help the world transition away from fossil fuels and towards a greener future, all powered by Tesla. Pillar 4 then is the more of the future stuff. It is the robot that we already touched on and the AI itself. The AI is the key buzzword that everyone is talking about. This is something that is the future, and you can already see from the videos how the robot is integrating. That is AI. It is fast, it is slick. There's a lot of competitors in that space, but I fully believe with all the other infrastructure around just the AI, that Tesla is really set up with the technology to be at the forefront of this. So if we circle back to what could be the most groundbreaking part of Tesla's future, the Optimus robot, as Musk said, this will be the biggest product ever of any kind. The Optimus robot is built using the same advanced technology found in Tesla's cars, batteries, AI, and power electronics. But instead of wheels, it has arms and legs. Elon Musk envisions a future where anyone can own an Optimus robot to help with daily tasks, like running errands, teaching, and even just being a companion. In Musk's words, you could have your very own R2-D2 or C-3PO. So when you think about the bull case between now and 2030 for Tesla, it is so much more than just electric vehicles. It's about things that the world has never seen before. Vehicles have been on the road for 100 years. This though, full self-driving, robotics, robotaxis even, that's never been done before. With Tesla leading in all these areas, it's no surprise that many investors are so bullish on the company's future. Yes, there will be challenges, but for Tesla, the possibilities seem limitless. So what do you think? Leave your comments down below. Will Tesla dominate between now and 2030? What's your stock price predictions? I believe that it would sell off after the recent event, which it did, and I'm buying every single dip on the way up. In the Discord, be sure our trades. If you're interested in that, get into it. Feeling that, drop a comment. How big of an impact do you think these Optimus robots could be? And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget, please like, subscribe, help us grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.